With TransferMate, you can upload a payment request file with all the details of payment requests. To upload a payment request file, sign in to your TransferMate account by clicking the Sign In button. Click the Upload File button on the Request a Payment page. You'll be prompted to download a File Upload Specifications PDF which specifies all the data TransferMate requires in the file. You can download a template CSV file with all the required details from the Download Template tab. We recommend that you use the free software LibreOffice to edit and save your CSV payment file to ensure that leading zeros are not deleted at the beginning of any account number or banking code. Once you have prepared your file to the correct specifications, select the Upload File tab, browse for the prepared file, and click on Upload. TransferMate will then process your Request a Payment file. When the processing is complete, click View Request Summary to go to the Request Summary page. All of the uploaded requests will show as awaiting authorization. To authorize them, check the boxes for each payment request, then click Authorize Selected Payment Requests. The payment requests are automatically sent to your clients via email. Once the clients have paid via the portal linked in these emails and the funds are cleared, the statuses on your request summary page will then update to paid. If TransferMate does not receive these funds within 2 business days of the booking, the payment will be cancelled. If you have any questions about the TransferMate platform, get in touch through the Contact Us page on transfermate.com.